Okay guys, I'm doing this video right here. It's a Tesla wheel. As you can see, it's black, so you really can't see a lot of dirt, but let me show you this. It's dirty. So we're gonna use, of course, our one and only Bobbie Brown. It's a non-acid wheel cleaner. A lot of customers are a little picky about certain wheels, so I call this my play it safe cleaner because it has no acid in it. So this is what we're about to do. Simple, spray it down. I like to spray mine a certain way to get in between each of the bars. Like I say, man, I let the product do the work, all of that other stuff. I won't do all of that. So make sure you get your tires real good. Now, everyone talk about how they product this and that. Man, let's put it to the test. So we just sprayed the brown. Oh, hold on, let me get one more little scoop for the face of the wheel. Okay, right there, right? Got the brown, and now we're gonna take our water. Okay, we use, of course, the Bobbie Brown. Now, everyone love to talk about, you know, how good that wheel cleaner is. This is why we do it live. We put the Bobbie Brown inside of a regular spray bottle, of course, and just sprayed it. We showed you it was dirty, sprayed it with the high pressure water with our short end of gun, green tip. And now I want to put this to the test, right? I got a light color rag here, right? Now watch this now. This is gonna be mind blowing. This is gonna tell the truth about our product and how good it is. Again, we use the brown, and I got a light color rag right after I just washed it. I didn't even touch it. I let the water do the work. Now watch this rag here. Touch it. I want you to touch the wheels, man. Touch your wheels. Touch your wheels. Let's see what the product's doing. Look at that. What is the product doing? See? Actions speak louder than words. Facts. Facts, man. We touch this wheel here, look. Facts. Okay, you want to get into, I know you guys like, get the bar. Get into the bars. Get into the bars for you. The bars. Get on the side here. Get in the bars like this. Get in the bars. Get in the bars. Look at that. Get in the bars. Where? I'm going to flip this rag around so you guys will say, oh, he flipped it. Oh, he did this. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Where? No dirt. No dirt. Brown.